Matin vagaiv, Matin waidiv, as they say good morning to you in Scottish and Irish Gaelic. That is the Gaelic here of Donegal, where I'm currently at the Irish language school in Glencolumbkille again, teaching Scottish Gaelic and learning Irish. And what fascinates me is the number of false friends or near misses, words that are similar in meaning in both languages, but at the same time different. So, a classic is the word bria in Scots Gaelic and bria in Irish. Bria in Scotland meaning beautiful, in Irish it means very well. So you might get an Irish learner of Scottish Gaelic saying ha mi bria, meaning I'm beautiful, not as he probably intends to say I am very well. I'll go through my wee list here. Tuarsach, meaning sad in Scotland, and meaning tired in Ireland. Gulua, fast in Scotland, and early in Ireland. Gasta, fine in Scotland, and in Ireland it means fast. Tahpi, again fast in Ireland, and strong in Scotland. A shul, meaning travelling in Scotland, and walking or hiking in Ireland. A shine, singing in Scotland, and playing an instrument in Ireland. Istocha, maybe in Scotland, and probably in Ireland. A curasto, extinguishing or killing something, whereas it means it's upsetting me or I don't agree with it in Irish. Betergon, meaning if you had to in Scotland, I guess is feature I can or you can in Ireland. Tasulakum in Ireland, meaning I hope. Hamiasulachug in Scotland, meaning I expect. Evretinvik is Brittany in Scottish Gaelic, and it means Wales in Irish Gaelic. The word ski, meaning tired in Scotland, and likdoshki, meaning relax in Ireland. Tasuimakam in Irish is I'm interested, whereas ha suimakam in Scotland means I have respect for something. And last not least on my little list here, bariacht, meaning too much in Irish, whereas barach in Scottish Gaelic just means more. So, if you're a learner of either of these languages, I hope that this little list has been useful to you. And remains for me to say, slán an ish, cheery and rasta.